everybody, it's been a while since I've done another video. So today I'm taking a break from doing kitty videos and I'm going to show you guys my garden. My vegetable garden, to be more precise. Here it is in all of its glory. There's Chinese cabbage right there. These are supposed to be a spinach patch, as you can see by the spinach. We've been trying to harvest as much as we can. There's bell peppers, hot peppers, and that jungle way over there are tomato plants. So I'm going to do a little bit of harvesting. There's my basket and my scissors. First I'm going to harvest some bell peppers, and these are Thai peppers right here, as you can see by the little bitty tiny peppers right there. These peppers are notoriously hot, so if you like to have your mouth burned and get all red, go for those. Here are the bell pepper plants. As you can see, there's a little baby right here forming, and there's a little baby right here. Isn't it cute? Doesn't make you want to eat it. And I think there's a pepper over here somewhere. There's a pepper, I think, over here. Yep, there it is. Right here. As you can see, the tomato plants are trying to muscle in on territory. And yep, here's a couple peppers right here. This guy can be harvested, I think, pretty soon, because it's starting to droop. And there's the pepper way over here. I don't know if you can see it very well. And then there's a big guy. Where are you, big guy? You were here the other day. Where are you? Oh boy. Okay, well, hang on. Ah, found you right here. And he is going to be harvested today. So, and yes, we have a multitude of grass. There we go. And there is our pepper. We can just cut that off. And here's our pepper. Okay. And here are our other peppers. A lot of these are still babies, and I can't harvest the babies. These are mildly hot, or I find them mildly hot, but they are super tasty in pico de gallo. I highly recommend these. I think these are sriracha peppers. We used to get Big Jim peppers. Big Jim peppers are also highly recommended. Looks like they're still babies. So I'll have to wait on harvesting peppers. And as you can see, the tomatoes are muscling in. There's a pepper plant right here. See? But you can hardly see it for the tomato plant muscling in. There's the tomato plant muscling in on territory here. Well, that can grow for a bit. Okay, well, I don't think I need to harvest any peppers today. Still need to get that head of cabbage. And these spinach, they have to wait. I don't think there's going to be any peppers to be harvested today. So, yeah. Okay, no peppers. And tomatoes. These are the tomato plants. It is an absolute jungle in here, as you can see. And that little tiny spot right there is where I go to harvest. And then that little spot right there is where I have to crawl under. So naturally I feel like Solid Snake. I'm really starting to feel how Solid Snake feels every time I have to harvest tomatoes. Because I literally have to get down on my tummy and crawl. But they are doing very well. As you can see, we got a nice red one right here. This is okay. My dad said that this is alright. We can just cut that off. So, he should be ready to harvest in a day or two. And you got another red one going, I think. Yes. There's another red one right there. Don't know if you can see him. I think he's ready. So let me see if I can get him. Come on. Gimme. Give it. Thank you, dear. Ooh. Ooh, that's a nice one. Okay. Alright. Put him in my little basket. Okay, anybody else? I am not solid snaking today. No, sir. I will not do it. No solid snake. Okay, I will have to go out to check. A lot of times I have to go out of the garden to and if you want to get a garden this awesome, fertilizer really helps. Integra and Kilala have been helping out in that department very much. See, we got nice tomatoes growing, and they're going to be turning red pretty soon. Ooh, you're doing good, sweetie. How's that red one doing? He should be ready maybe in a day or two. But yeah, as you can see, I don't have that much room to work with. So when I wind up having the solid snake, it's quite a little adventure. But if you want to get a garden this awesome, you do lots of fertilizing, lots of water. I like to talk to my plants. I tell them good morning every day and good night every evening. But you water once in the evening and once in the morning. We've also played a lot of music for them. This garden was very partial to Lady Gaga, Pink Floyd, Rammstein, if you can believe it, and Corvus Corax. So, but this is what I've been doing a whole lot during the pandemic. I've just been gardening. And hopefully by next month we're going to have an even bigger crop than we've been getting. But